Bongga. Hina, ah. Kapit yan.
Ayoko.
Kapit nga, be.
Kamay.
Yan.
Kamay. Kamay ka.
Yan.
Ay, Tony.
Bakit?
Oh, kaibigan lang.
Oo.
Walang problema. Walang
Oo.
anuman.
Walang?
Walang anuman.
Ay, walang. It's like, thank you. Walang anuman.
Like, you're welcome. Walang
Welcome.
anuman. It's like, you're welcome.
I thought it was
When
no
I say
problem.
thank you, you said, walang anuman.
What did you want to say?
No problem. I guess no
Walang
problem.
problema. Ano yung
Pero-
no problem sa Tagalog?
But
Kasi-
he was...
Hindi naman walang
kanina
anuman,
gusto
parang-
niya sabihin na walang silang churba-churba.
Oo nga. Kaya walang anuman.
Why'd you want to say no problem? Like, you guys... I think you were trying to say that there's nothing on between you guys, right?
Yeah, I was like, no, we're friends only. It's no problem.
That doesn't
See,
work.
it's
that
just because
doesn't
the
work like that in
English
Tagalog.
translation doesn't work like that, yeah.
Yeah.
How would I say it then?
Wala
Friends lang
problema.
kami.
Walang problem. Friends lang kami.
Walang
lang
iba.
kami.
Walang ibang...
Friends lang
walang-
kami. I'm gonna eat.
Kapalit
Anyone
ka.
else hungry? Gutom mo? Gutom ko?
Yeah, give me some bread.
Gutom ka?
Hindi mo.
Bread.
Ka.
Magpapalit ng ano? Be quiet. Left, right, up, down.
Ka nga.
Jump, left, right, eat ka.
Ganon.
Yeah.
Ka, hindi mo.
Alam na.
Hindi.
Alam na, no?
Ha?
Really?
Malalaman namin ba sa show na to kung anong ginawa ninyo?
Yeah, of course. Why not?
Oh, umi-English, Englisher, tsaka inside joke. Oh, kung lahat tayo ay kinikilig dun sa Tumiho. Or ito, tulad na nag-tweet ngayon, kinikilig sa